Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OPPO. You need to begin by opening settings. Then click on password and security. Select face over here and enter your current login method. Now you need to choose continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of those instructions. Now you can switch on or off raise to wake feature by tapping on this switcher and finally click on done. Over here adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and click on home button. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!